I've been reading a lot of complaints about the 3D experience version of SolidWorks lately, and there are some very good reasons for those complaints. Now, in general, I find SolidWorks for makers to be a very good deal. You can get it for $48 a year, and I always think it's good to know more than one CAD package. So if you have the money, I recommend that, hey, teach yourself SolidWorks. But I got an email a couple weeks ago letting me know that I needed to update my version. So let me go to my icon on my desktop for launching SolidWorks. I will double click on it. All right, so now I get the warning that an update is available. In 15 days, I'll be required to update the version. So I'm gonna say yes, that I want to do it now. I will click on the update button. All right, let me accept all cookies. This is something that's required in the European Union. Let me enter in my username. And this is one of the complaints. You had to enter in a username and password, but it can't remember the password for you. So let me click on the continue button. Now I've got to enter in the password. There's no autofill. So let me see if I can remember this. Okay, let's try log in. All right, let me click on the next button. Okay, let's hit the next button once more. And let's see, the space required is 14 gig. Let's click on the install button. Okay, the installation has finished. Let's click on the close button. And I'm wondering, is it going to launch automatically? Let's give it a few seconds. Okay, I'm assuming that it is not going to launch automatically, so let me try double clicking on it. And once again, I need to accept cookies and log in again. Why can it not remember my login for me? All right, so now I am in SolidWorks. It is doing some last minute connecting to 3D experience, but this was way too long to do an update so that I could use SolidWorks. Again, this is just uncalled for. Yeah, and it still appears to be doing something, but there you have it. That's all that is involved with trying to do an update to SolidWorks that is required after a certain amount of time, just so that you can use SolidWorks for makers. I hope you got something out of this.